Hello friends, you welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn inheritance in Java. So let's start. Inheritance in Java. What is inheritance in Java? So basically, inheritance is a mechanism in which one class acquires the property of another class. For example, a child inherits the property of his or her parents. With inheritance, we can reuse the fields and method of the existing class. Hence, inheritance facilitates reusability and is an important concept of OOPS. Inheritance represents the ISA relationship, which is also known as a parent-child relationship. Inheritance in Java. I am a base class. So parent is a base class for the child class because the child inherit the property from his or her parents. Why use inheritance in Java? Number 1, for method overriding. So runtime polymorphism can be achieved. What is method overriding? We learned in the polymorphism concept, which is also one pillar of the OOPS concept. So about the polymorphism we learn in the upcoming videos. Number 2, for code reusability. Terms used in inheritance. So first go into depth in inheritance. We understand some terms which is used in inheritance. Number first, class. A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So we can say class. Class is a blueprint or template, and we can create multiple or n object for a class. Number 2, subclass or child class. Subclass is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called the derived class, extended class, or child class. Number 3, superclass or parent class. Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also called a base class or a parent class. Next term is reusability. Reusability. As the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the fields and methods of the existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same fields and methods already defined in the previous class. So if you define some method in the superclass or in the parents class, you can use this method in the subclass or the child class. The syntax of Java inheritance is class, then subclass name, then use the extends keywords, then superclass name. And here you can define the subclass methods and field, and all the fields and method of the parents class also inherit in the subclass. So subclass has the parent class method and fields as well as its own method and fields. The extends keywords indicate that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. The meaning of extend is to increase the functionality. In the terminology of Java, a class which is inherited is called a parent or superclass, and the new class is called child or subclass. Let's see an example through which we can get an idea of how inheritance works. Suppose we have created a class father. In the father class, we create a three fields: eye color, blood group, and hair type. Means father's eye color is blue, father's blood group is B positive, and father's hair type is curly. And we create a method does and print son inheriting properties from father. Means we create a method in the parent class. Now we create a subclass son that extends father. Now what will happen? All these properties will inherit in the child class. So suppose if the father eye color is blue, then parents eye color will be also blue, blood group will be B positive, and hair will be curly hair. And method also be inherit in the subclass. Now if you create the object of the parent class or father class, now you can call the method of the parent class or father class, or you can call the properties of the father class in the child class. So here you can print all the properties of father class. So in the child class, if you print all the information, you will get the output. Calling the method which is printing son inheriting properties from father, and blood group of son is B positive, eye color of son is blue, and hair type of son is curly. So I show you this example on Eclipse IDE. So here I just create the class son and just paste the code from the slides. So here we create a father which is a parent class and create a subclass son, and the son class is inheriting the father class properties. So if you run this program, you will get the output. Okay, now I would like to show you how a son class inheriting the property of the parent class. Here we are calling the father class property by using the father class object. But now if we create a subclass object like son and call all the properties and method by using the son object, also then you will get the output, because now this field, when you create a subclass, the parents class field like eye color, blood group, hair type, and this method inherits in this son class or the child class. So easily you can call the properties and methods by using the subclass object. Now if you run this program, you will get the same output, because you are inheriting the properties of the parent class. Now I hope you got the answer. What is the inheritance? Inheritance means you create a parent class and you create a child class. By the help of the child class object, you can call the parent class properties, or in the child class also you can get the properties. Now you can also override now in the child class also have its own property. Suppose you define a method public void m1 in the child class, so here you have created a child class method. So you also a child class also can have its own property as well. So if you run this, So just call the m1 method. So you can see the output, the child class method. Okay, so child class method. So here we can create a method in the child class as well. Okay, now you can do one thing as well. If you are not satisfied with the parent class method, so you can define or you can override the same method as well. Suppose this method void does, if you define in the subclass, and here you define like a father and son. So what do you think, which method will be called? Yes, this method will be called this time, because you have override this method. What is overriding of the method? We will learn in this video within a few seconds or within a few minutes. So here you are just overriding the method. You override this method. Now the subclass method will be called. Okay, if you run this, you will get the output. Son inheriting properties from father. Okay. Yes, this method is calling, because here we have changed the father. So this method is not calling, this method is calling by the object. So now I think it will be clear for you that how to define a parent class and how the child class inherit the properties, how you can create your own method in the child class, and you can override the existing method of the parent class in the child class.